just arrived at my favorite fishing spot. It's got a magnificent view from here. You can see the Harbour Bridge and the center point. Maybe not with this camera, but if you're here in the spot, you can see it, and all the bushfire smoke is kind of covering it at the moment. I'm gonna try this jig first. It's an orange Yamashita 2.2 deep dive. I'm gonna show you my technique for catching squid. This is the same technique that a lot of people use. So I just cast it as far as I can and try to land it in areas that are close to seaweed or sandy area or a bit of mix, kind of have some structure. Squid love to hide in those seaweed and then they come out to attack the jig. I wait approximately 30 seconds depending how deep it is. Sometimes you don't have to wait that long if it's really shallow, or you wait longer if it's more deep. But the technique here is you want to wait until it sinks all the way to the bottom before you start flicking. See? Oh, look at these guys. They caught a mad fish. Oh, awesome. They're gonna get a feed. I think that's the 6th one they took. Anyways, after flicking it, you wait approximately 10 seconds and then you do it again. So after you do the flicks or the double flick, the jig will be falling from the top of the water to the bottom, and that's when the squid will latch on most of the time. Here is something you can invest in to help catch more squid. It's a blue light, and usually on the jig there's a strip at the bottom where the tail is that will glow, but my one is full body, so the whole body will glow, and squid can see this and will just jump on. Just hooked onto my first squid of the night. It's right here. Yeah, let's get some more lighting first at the bench. There's more light there. Here it is. Oh yeah, it's a calamari. I see another one. Hopefully it jumps on soon. They usually come together. Yes, I think I got it. Let's take it up. Oh, this one is slightly bigger. Oh, just got it by one leg, luckily. It's another calamari. Yes, it's the most delicious of them all, in my opinion. Thanks guys for watching that video. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment below to see what your technique is to catch squid, and I will be posting videos in the future as well on how I cook the squid. Hope you enjoy those too.
Wang eat! Like and subscribe please.